Hello friends, welcome to Study with Harshit. Today I am going to share with you complete revision of Unit 2, Business Environment and Legal Aspect of Business. Economic, socio-cultural, competitive and international environment. Macro environment consists political and legal environment, ecology and physical environment, technological environment, economic environment, socio-cultural and demographic environment. These are the environment consist macro environment. All of these are discussed in our previous video of Unit 1 revision. Some topics are already discussed, so please visit our Unit 1 revision video, link in description. Business environment with reference to global integration. Global integration means the process with which the local Indian market opens up to the global economy. It amounts to letting foreign factor influence Indians' local business environment. The process of global integration of India's business environment began in 1991. Driving factors of international business: liberalization, MNCs, technology, product development and efforts, rising aspiration with wants, world economic trends. These are the driving factors of international business. Liberalization, one of the most important factors which have given a great forward thrust to globalization since 1980s, is the formation of universal economic policy resulting in liberalization of economy many countries. The immediate result of liberalization in globalization of business. Now many business firms can involve themselves in international trade as the restriction imposed by various countries is highly restricted under WTO. MNCs, the companies which have taken a complete advantage of trade liberalization caused under GATT and WTO are MNCs multinational companies Sony, Philips, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, etc. are some famous example of MNC. These companies combine their resource and objective to achieve profit in global market. According to the World Investment Report 1997, there were about 44,500 MNCs in the world with nearly 2.77 lakh foreign collaboration. Hence, MNCs is an important factor inducing globalization. Technology. Technology is a powerful driving force of globalization. Once a technology is developed, it soon becomes available everywhere in the world. Product development and efforts. The immediate impact of increase of technology is the growth of new product due to innovation. Comparative analysis of business environment, India and other countries. Global integration means is how much the organization can utilize similar item and technique in different nations. Nearby responsiveness is how much the organization must modify their item and technique to meet different nations' condition. The two measurements bring about four essential worldwide business system: send out, normalization, multi-domestic and transactional. Factors affecting international business environment. The international business environment includes various factors like social, political, regulatory, cultural, legal, and technological factors that surround a business entity in various nations. There are exogenous factors relative to the home environment of the organization in the international environment. LPG model business policy. L stands for liberalization, P stand for privatization and G stand for globalization. These are the LPG. Liberalization. The basic aim of liberalization was to put an end to those restrictions which become hindrance in the development and growth of the nation. Privatization. This is the second of the three policies of LPG. It is the increment of the dominating role of private sector companies and the reduced role of the public sector companies. In other words, we can say that it is the reduction of ownership of the management of a government owned enterprise. Globalization. It means to integrate the economy of one country with the global economy. During globalization, the main focus is on foreign trade and private and institutional foreign investment. It is the last policy of the LPG to be implemented. Globalization as a term has a very complex phenomenon. Features of LPG policy: removal of industry, dilution of the role of the public sector, start of privatization, reduction in import traffic, tariffs, market, reduction of taxes, free entry to foreign investment and technology. Some of the positive outcomes of the LPG reform are as follows. India's GDP growth rate increased. There was a strong flow of FDI, foreign direct investment, decline in unemployment rate, per capita income is increased because of LPG, export increased. These are the positive outcomes of LPG reform. International forces in business: technological force, economic, global, social, competitive, and demographic. These are the international forces in business. I hope you like this video. For more videos like this, please subscribe Study with Harshit. Unit 1 complete revision is already uploaded on our YouTube channel Study with Harshit, and Unit 3, 4 and 5 is coming soon. Thank you so much for watching this video.